This mother dove was struggling on a family's balcony because of the rain. After seeing this scene, they instantly gave the bird shelter. With their help, the mother bird was able to successfully hatch her eggs, from which came out two adorable babies. Every day, they fed the mother bird, and after eating that food, the mother bird would feed her babies in return. They took care of the babies every single day, even hand-feeding them, just to make sure they never suffered from hunger. But eventually, they realized that it was becoming very difficult for the mother bird to feed the babies all by herself. So, alongside the mother bird, they also started trying to feed the babies. And just like that, with their help, the mother bird raised her babies and continued living peacefully and happily on the balcony of that family, as if they were a part of the family themselves. These kind-hearted people definitely deserve a like.